Across the world, Bosch is synonymous with unmatched quality, reliability, and invented for life. Offering consistent innovation with our products and services, we have earned the identity of trailblazers with new ideas, new solutions, and new ways to look at the ever-evolving needs of the world. Setting foot in the country in 1922, Bosch India has embarked on numerous remarkable journeys in end-to-end engineering and technology solutions, setting benchmarks for highest international standards in manufacturing, research and development, quality of products and services, and human resource development. One such journey extraordinaire is that of India Power Tools assembly operations. Starting operations in 1993, Bosch advanced step by step, eventually inaugurating manufacturing plants dedicated to produce superior quality, user-centric power tool sets to create an indelible mark in the industry. In 2017, we announced the rollout of our 5 millionth power tool. With the momentum of that achievement, we continued to press forward. Today, we are proud to share that we have surpassed our own expectations. Bosch India has rolled out its 10 millionth power tool.
What a wonderful day! Starting power tool manufacturing journey in India way back in 1993 and now reaching 10 million tool is a dream come true. So it's a proud moment for all of us in Bosch Power Tool plant in Chennai and Power Tool India team.
While we reached the 5 million mark in 23 fulfilling years, we leaped to the next milestone of 10 million in just 3 years. An instrumental role in driving this stupendous growth in the power tool business was taken up by the Chennai plant in 2015. The incorporation of the indigenous Bosch production system, BPS standards, at this 8,000 square meters facility, along with higher capacity and localization, enabled improved flexibility and a shorter lead time. The facility manufactures portable electrical power tools such as angle grinders, impact and rotary drills, rotary hammers, marble cutters, and air blowers, including motors for all the tools. Reliable, powerful, and robust, our flagship products guarantee professional results in all fields of craftsmanship.
Hello everyone. Yellorukum Vanakam, Yellorukum Valtukal. I would like to sincerely express my gratitude and thanks to each and every one of you for a great and amazing work done in 2020. 2020 has been a tough year for us, and this team achieving a huge landmark of 10 millionth tool produced in India is a matter of huge pride, and I'm really proud of this team. This is really a true testament to the perseverance and resilience shown by this team. CHIP in many ways have been a strong pillar for power tools growth in India. Just to put in context, 4 out of 5 top sellers in India are produced in CHIP. Its team of amazing women has set high benchmarks, which has won recognition for it thrice in terms of Best Plant Awards, and hopefully many more to follow. As we look forward to further accelerate our growth in 2021 and beyond, CHIP will play a very key role in producing products which are truly Indian in body and spirit. I also take this opportunity to wish you and your families a very happy and success-filled 2021. Thank you.
A glorious exhibit for the Vocal for Local strategy, the Chennai plant delivers a majority share of the power tools in India, both in terms of value and volume. The Chennai plant is also recognized as the consistent high performer, a repute rightly earned by the enthusiasm, hard work, and undefeatable spirit of the 250 associates driving operations at the plant.
Happy to be part of this young and energetic CHIP team. I have been traveling with CHIP since from beginning. Each and every day in CHIP is a fun-filled and excited workplace. CHIP is the ideal workplace to feel the experience of fun at work. CHIP is also known as consistent high performance, and the results showed year and year again. Our associates are the key success for each and every milestone made by CHIP, and happy to be part of this 10 million tool journey.
What makes it stand out is the power of an all-woman workforce. While they make determined efforts in the pursuit of excellence, we ensure their well-being with maximum safety standards, healthy food and transportation.
Working environment பார்த்தோம்னா ஃபுல்லாவே எனக்கு ஷாப் ஃப்ளோரில் கேர்ள்ஸ் இருக்காங்க. ஸோ என்னால் இன்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு ஒரு ஒர்க்கு கேட்டு வாங்குறதுக்கு வந்து ரொம்ப ஈஸியாக இருந்தது. ஸோ நான் மேல் இருந்தால் கம்ஃபர்டபுளாக இருக்காது அப்படின்னு ஒரு தாட் எல்லாருக்குமே இருக்கும். ஸோ அந்த தாட்டையும் எங்களுக்கு பிரேக் பண்ண வச்சாங்க எங்களோட சுப்பீரியர்ஸ். ரொம்ப கம்ஃபர்டபுளாக எந்த ஒர்க்கு எங்களுக்கு ஈஸியாக கோஆர்டினேட் பண்ணி சக்ஸஸ்ஃபுல்லாக ட்ரெயின் பண்ணி எங்களுக்கு தெரியாத விஷயத்த சொல்லி கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. ஸோ அந்த வகையில் டீம் ஒர்க்கில் சிப்பை அடிச்சிக்கவே முடியாது. ஸோ அதுதான் எங்களோட பலமும் கூட.
With a collaboration that speaks of a perfect harmony between sales, marketing, logistics and plant operations, the Chennai Power Tools plant has become the brand benchmark for the business in India. As we write history yet again with the production of our 10 millionth power tool, we share this glory equally with our associates, business partners and all stakeholders. This journey has inspired us to embark on a new one, to reach a new destination. At Bosch, we are determined to traverse new routes and explore uncharted territories, creating new milestones every day.